Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm bringing with me one beautiful detox recipe, and the ingredients that I'm going to use are locally available and available throughout the year. The main benefit of this detox juice is that it's going to help you in weight loss, first thing. Apart from that, it has got other benefits like it has got benefit to your heart health. It has got benefit to inflammation. So people like who has arthritis, asthma or bronchitis, they can also take this to get relief. Apart from that, if you have got stomach issues and you have got issues right around gas, bloating, yes, it is going to definitely help you out, and this is a very good detox recipe or detox juice to help you out with indigestion as well, and it's going to help you with blood circulation. It's a blood thinning agent because the ingredients that we are using has got the blood thinning properties. So let's see now what all that we require for this detox juice. Okay, so the ingredient that we require is pineapple, a big piece of ginger, turmeric. This is optional. If you don't have, you can skip it. So and spinach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of this pineapple and spinach. So I would like to take 50% of pineapple and 50% of spinach, just to balance, to have a green and fruity flavor. And turmeric, as I said, and this is going to give us, spicy taste from the ginger. The first thing that I'm going to do is wash all my ingredients thoroughly, because this turmeric and ginger, it's root vegetables, and spinach, there is always a lot of pesticides and all that is sprayed on this vegetable. So make sure you thoroughly wash them. Okay, all our veggies are now washed properly. I'm just going to take a big knife so it's easy for me to cut it now. So almost I'm taking half of a medium sized pineapple because it will help you in balance, but you can always increase or decrease the proportion depending on how you want it, how you want the juice to be. If you're using more pineapple, that means the sweet is going to be towards more tropical taste, like little sweeter. But if you want to have more spinach benefits, you can always add more spinach. It all depends on individual taste. For example, if you're giving it to kids, definitely they're not going to like more spinach. So in that case, you can make 60% of pineapple and 40% of spinach. So that way you're letting them eat or drink spinach in a way, right? So which normally they wouldn't do. You don't have to waste the pineapple peels. You can actually boil some water and wash the peel thoroughly, and then you can make a tea. That way you're going to get benefit of the pineapple peel as well. It has got the same benefit as lemon skin. Lemon skin is like important. So most of the peels, like citrus fruit peels, are really good. Same goes with orange as well. So try to use these peels, boil and make a tea out of it instead of throwing them. Before we start the juicing, I would like to tell you each benefit of the different ingredients that we are taking. Pineapple is actually very good with the fiber content. So if you see, there's a lot of liquid content in it, right? So it has got anti-inflammatory, it improves your heart health. Apart from that, it has got vitamin B1, C, a lot of vitamin C, and it has got a lot of antioxidants. And it is good for your heart health. It is good for people with bronchitis as well. And it has got magnesium, manganese and other nutrients. Coming down to spinach has got calcium. It has got protein. I think in 100 gram you get around 3 gram of protein, so it is very good. Apart from that, it has got vitamin C, it has got vitamin A and K. So if you eat 100 gram of spinach, I think your the total day's requirement of vitamin A and K is fulfilled. You don't need to eat anything for vitamin A and K. Apart from that, it has got some amount of iron. It has got magnesium, it has got calcium. So, and then the very important thing is antioxidant, and antioxidant it has got a lot. So the very important thing about spinach is it has got nitrate. It basically helps you to relax your blood vessels, and apart from that, it releases the tension in your heart, and it is good for your metabolic health. Apart from that, we know ginger is something that we use. Ginger and turmeric both we use in our cuisine a lot. The only difference is we mostly cook it, but then we are going to use this in raw form. In that way, what happens, you get all the nutrients, and then they act thoroughly on your body. And ginger is like anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer. It is good for your heart health, good for your digestion. If people with inflammation also can take it. So the benefit of ginger and turmeric is always endless. Similarly, turmeric is anti-inflammatory. One thing that I want to say is turmeric, we always get it in powder form because the raw form is not available to us mostly. But if you once start using raw form, you're going to forget the powder form of turmeric. It is so good and healthy and nutritious. It's so good for your body that you would definitely not go back to the powder form. So as it is not available to us, mostly, especially in Indian markets, at least I haven't seen, I would definitely urge people to start planting turmeric, even if you have a small space in your home. And in a year of time, you're going to get a good yield of. I would definitely say, please go ahead and plant a turmeric tree. Let's live the life of how we used to live how our ancestors used to live, and they always relies on fresh fruit, fresh produce. So similarly, let's go back. Start going back to do those things, and let's be healthy, stay healthy and get healthy with this raw nutrients and raw produces. The main thing that I wanted to emphasize is that if you can buy a cold press juicer, it is going to change your life. Instead of buying houses or buying cars, I think we can invest something for our health, which can give us a lot of benefit in longer run. Having said that, now let's start the juicing process. So the first thing that I want to start with is my spinach, and then in between I will add the turmeric, so that I get everything, all even the one drop of nothing is left out in the jar. Everything is we are getting in juices. So let's start now. Juice is ready. This is my morning ritual. I drink this every day, but it's not like I drink this every day with the same ingredients, but I try to change. But my morning ritual is to always have a vegetable drink. So today if I have drank pineapple, tomorrow I'll drink something as zucchini, pumpkin, endless, as long as there is, and you can choose any vegetable which has got some water content, and that is going to help you out. Try to add some juicing into your habits, your diet every morning, and this is going to help you out. Thank you for watching this video, and if you think this is useful to others, please share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with some other juicing recipes, juicing or smoothie recipes. So until then, see you next time, and bye bye.